Welcome, residents of Hobcaw Pointe. My name is Marissa Noble, and I'm a professional engineer in the Engineering and Development Services Department. Today, we're excited to share some important updates about the comprehensive drainage improvements happening in our community. We've partnered with CDM Smith and RK&K to address the aging drainage infrastructure in our beautiful Hobcaw Pointe subdivision. Let's take a closer look at what's in store. Hobcaw Pointe community spans approximately 295 acres, and we've identified 34 drainage basins that need attention. 6 priority basins have been selected for improvements: East Molasses, West Molasses, Seawee Circle, Isaw, Sampa Road, and Muirhead Road. This project is funded by grants from the Federal Emergency Management Agency, FEMA, and the South Carolina Office of Resiliency, SCORE. Construction is anticipated to begin fall 2024 and last approximately 1 year. The construction phase will bring some changes, but rest assured, we're committed to minimizing disruptions. We understand you might have concerns about how this construction will impact your daily life. We will work with the contractor on sequence of construction to restore disturbances as quickly as possible. We've considered public input from letters, resident meetings, and a public meeting at the Hobcaw Yacht Club, and adjusted design plans to meet the community's needs. Drainage improvements are designed to provide a 10-year storm level of service. As part of the improvements, we'll be upgrading pipes, installing new ones, and restoring roadside swales. All design plans are reviewed by environmental specialists and certified arborists, as well as all applicable state and federal permitting agencies to ensure the utmost consideration of the environment. But that's not all. We will be installing 2 bioretention areas to promote runoff infiltration, groundwater recharge, and pollutant removal. We're grateful for your understanding and support throughout this process. Together, we're building a safer and more resilient community. Your active participation will ensure lasting success. As we look forward to a better, more resilient Hobcaw Pointe, we thank you for being part of this journey. Together, we're shaping a brighter future. Stay tuned for more updates, and thank you for being an essential part of our community.